Hi everyone. Today I will talk about our recent trip to a state park, how we secure our car bed and kitchen during travel, and few activity ideas while camping. We did not use tents here, rather camped out in our minivan-camper van. If you're interested, I will be sharing our DIY minivan to camper van video link in the description. Before we start our travel, we make sure our beds are secure like in here. The bed frame is also clamped to the car using U-bolt. For the bed we use ratchet straps that can be purchased from Amazon. I will be sharing the product links in the description. We also make sure that our kitchen cabinets, drawer and slide-out platform is secured and latched. Everything is kind of secure. If you see, there are latches, so everything stays in place. And we are ready to go. In this trip, we visited Belle State Park. It is in Lancaster County, Virginia, on the lower Rappahannock River. It sits between Deep Creek and Mulberry Creek. Drive time from Northern Virginia, Richmond, Tidewater, Norfolk, Virginia Beach is 2 hours. It features diverse wetlands, lowland marshes, tidal coves, and upland forest. This diverse habitat is home to different wildlife. We saw few bald eagles, and it is always a good idea to carry binoculars while camping. The park usually offers camping from March to first week of December. Within the park, it offers many facilities like boat launch, boat rental, laundry, dump station, hot shower, fishing pier, to name a few. In this visit, our day began with some hot waffles. After that, we decided to explore the park and walk some trails. So hi, we are here. We are trying to choose which trail to go on. So we have decided to go on Mulberry Creek, Boardwalk Trail.
Which is this side. Let's explore.
Let's explore.
We're allowed to go?
Yeah, we are.
But that.
No, that's horse. You cannot take horse on this. That's what they mentioned there.
You can only look at that.
Yeah. Wow, nice.
Wow, this is nice. We also like to do some silly things like shadow fights and just being ourselves. This park also had a small store where we made our quick stop to grab some starter fuel for campfire. We love music and carry our portable speaker and just enjoy the outdoors with warm fires. I would also like to add that firewoods are available in the park. We also tried to use our microwave to make some popcorns. Overall, this was a lovely experience and we recommend this park for a family getaway. Stay safe, healthy, and spread cheers.